Hello Hennessey fans, welcome to another great video. We have an incredible and unique car here for you. Huge shout out to Supercar Steven. Follow him on Instagram. He was incredibly kind and generous to let us borrow his 997 Porsche GT2. This car is one of the most legendary cars of all time. And yes, you heard me right, that is a GT2 behind me. It is great spec, it's under 10,000 miles, it has yellow all on the interior trim. It even has the car phone option. It is so cool, and of course it's manual. So please enjoy this video, enjoy the sights and the sounds. Here we go.